Hello and welcome to Health University. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best essential oils for stress and anxiety, and how to use them safely and effectively. Stress and anxiety are common problems that many people face in their daily lives. They can affect your mood, energy, sleep, and overall well-being. According to the American Psychological Association, 77% of Americans report experiencing physical symptoms of stress, and 48% say their stress has increased over the past year. Similarly, the Anxiety and Depression Association of America reports that 18% of Americans suffer from an anxiety disorder, and only 36% of them receive treatment. While there are many ways to cope with stress and anxiety, such as therapy, medication, exercise, and meditation, essential oils can also be a natural and powerful tool to help you relax and calm your nerves. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that have various therapeutic properties. They can be inhaled, applied to the skin, or diffused in the air to create a pleasant and soothing aroma. Different essential oils have different effects on the body and mind, and some of them are especially beneficial for stress and anxiety. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best essential oils for stress and anxiety, and how to use them. I'll also give you some tips on how to choose, store, and blend essential oils, and what precautions to take when using them. Before we get into it, can you do us a favor? Click on the subscribe and thumbs up button and help us spread the word about the best essential oils for stress and anxiety, and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. We want to make sure you get the latest info that you can live a long, healthy life. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first essential oil that I want to talk about is lavender. Lavender is one of the most popular and versatile essential oils. It has a floral and sweet scent that can help you unwind and sleep better. Lavender can also reduce feelings of nervousness, restlessness, and irritability. It can also help with headaches, muscle tension, and pain relief. Lavender is one of the safest and gentlest essential oils, and it can be used for children and pets as well. However, some people may be allergic or sensitive to lavender, so make sure you do a patch test on your skin before using it. To use lavender for stress and anxiety, you can add a few drops to your bath water, massage it into your temples, or inhale it from a cotton ball or a diffuser. You can also make a lavender pillow spray by mixing 10 drops of lavender oil with 1 cup of distilled water and spraying it on your pillow before bedtime. This can help you fall asleep faster and have a more restful sleep. Another essential oil that is great for stress and anxiety is bergamot. Bergamot is a citrusy and refreshing essential oil that can uplift your mood and reduce tension. Bergamot can also help you cope with negative emotions, such as anger, sadness, and frustration. It can also boost your immune system and fight infections. Bergamot is a phototoxic essential oil, which means it can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. So, if you apply bergamot to your skin, make sure you avoid direct sun exposure for at least 12 hours. You can also use a diluted or bergaptine-free version of bergamot oil, which is less phototoxic. To use bergamot for stress and anxiety, you can add a few drops to your lotion, spray it on your pillow, or diffuse it in your room. You can also make a bergamot tea by adding 1 drop of bergamot oil to a cup of hot water and honey. This can help you relax and soothe your throat. The next essential oil that I want to mention is chamomile. Chamomile is a soothing and calming essential oil that can help you relax and ease your worries. Chamomile can also help you deal with insomnia, headaches, and digestive issues that may be caused by stress and anxiety. It can also reduce inflammation and skin irritation. There are 2 types of chamomile oil, Roman chamomile and German chamomile. Roman chamomile is more mild and gentle, while German chamomile is more potent and anti-inflammatory. Both types are safe and effective, but you may prefer one over the other depending on your needs and preferences. To use chamomile for stress and anxiety, you can add a few drops to your tea, apply it to your wrists, or inhale it from a tissue or a diffuser. You can also make a chamomile compress by soaking a cloth in warm water mixed with a few drops of chamomile oil and placing it on your forehead, eyes, or abdomen. This can help you relieve stress and pain. Another essential oil that is good for stress and anxiety is sandalwood. Sandalwood is a warm and woody essential oil that can help you feel grounded and centered. Sandalwood can also help you quiet your mind and enhance your meditation. It can also improve your memory, concentration, and mental clarity. Sandalwood is a rare and expensive essential oil, so make sure you buy it from a reputable source and use it sparingly. You can also use a synthetic or blended version of sandalwood oil, which is more affordable and eco-friendly. To use sandalwood for stress and anxiety, you can add a few drops to your carrier oil, rub it on your chest, or inhale it from a necklace or a diffuser. You can also make a sandalwood candle by melting some soy wax and adding 10 drops of sandalwood oil and pouring it into a glass jar with a wick. This can create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere in your home. The last essential oil that I want to share with you is Clary sage. Clary sage is a herbaceous and spicy essential oil that can help you balance your hormones and emotions. Clary sage can also help you reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, especially during your menstrual cycle or menopause. It can also ease cramps, bloating, and hot flashes. Clary sage is a potent essential oil, so use it with caution and moderation. It can also interact with some medications, such as antidepressants, blood pressure drugs, and birth control pills. So, consult your doctor before using Clary sage if you have any medical conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. To use Clary sage for stress and anxiety, you can add a few drops to your bath salt, massage it into your abdomen, or inhale it from a vaporizer or a diffuser. You can also make a Clary sage roll-on by mixing 10 drops of Clary sage oil with 1 ounce of jojoba oil and applying it to your pulse points. This can help you calm your nerves and regulate your mood. These are just some of the best essential oils for stress and anxiety, but there are many more that you can explore and experiment with. However, before you use any essential oil, make sure you do a patch test on your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Also, consult your doctor if you have any medical conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. And remember, essential oils are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what essential oils you use for stress and anxiety, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good.
Bye.